Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noella Creations. Today I'm sharing an awesome recipe of a cool refreshing summer drink, Falooda. To prepare the jelly, I'm putting 90 grams of strawberry jelly crystals into a mold. Using a spoon, mix it well. Boil 500 ml of water. Now pour the water into the mold. Some jellies have different method of preparation. Refer to the instructions given on the jelly box. Stir it until the jelly crystals dissolve completely. Keep the jelly aside and let it set. Put 100 grams of strawberry Falooda mix in a bowl. Mix it. Place a vessel on medium flame. Add 100 ml of water, 500 ml of milk. Stir it. Let it boil. By the way, if you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Once it starts boiling, transfer the Falooda mix into the vessel. Stir it continuously. Boil the mixture until it is creamy. Then switch off the flame. Let it cool, then refrigerate it until the mixture is cold. The jelly is set. Cut the jelly into pieces. Place a few jelly pieces into the glasses. Stir the cool Falooda mixture and then pour into the glasses. Here I am adding more jelly pieces. Now I am adding ice cream scoop. Now I am garnishing it with wafer roll, chocolate and cake sprinkles. You can also garnish it with chopped dry fruits and nuts. Awesome refreshing Faloodas are now ready. Once you try this recipe, do let me know in the comments how well it turned out. Thanks for watching.